Hi everyone, it's Ira and welcome to gmailfiend. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to delete all unread emails in Gmail. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so it's very easy to delete all unread emails, especially if you're using the select all factor or the filter select feature of Gmail. As you can see, if you click this drop down box, you will see a lot of options like all emails, none, read, unread, start, and start. It will select the part that you have checked or selected, of course. So for example, I want to delete all the unread emails. So what I'll just have to do is click unread. As you can see, it had already selected all the unread emails for me in this um, page. So what I'm going to do is just click delete right here, and as you can see, the 5 conversations or 500 conversations have been moved to trash. If you want to undelete them, that will be for another video. So we hope you learned something from this video on how to delete all unread emails. And if you like this video, please do hit the subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to check our channel for more videos like this. See you on our next video. Bye!